Okay guys, did you guys enjoy the activity?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now we will add the sprinkles on our ice cream, okay?
Okay.
Okay, right, do this color as well. Okay, Ibrahim. Which color is this? And which color is this? It's purple. Okay.
I like this ice cream. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like it.
You like it? Okay, but it's not a real ice cream. You can't eat it.
I can eat it.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
No. Okay, guys. So now we will add the sprinkles on our ice cream, okay?
Okay.
Only. Stop eating, Raidu. Oh, stop eating. You have to put them on your ice cream, okay? Yes, like that. Okay, Ibrahim. Put the sprinkles on your ice cream.
Yeah.
You have to do like this. Wow. Okay, Wali, put them on your ice cream. Don't eat them, okay? Oh. Good job. Okay, Raidu, let's add more sprinkles on your ice cream. Okay, enough. Stop eating. Meesam, tell me, what are we making? What is this? What is this? Naila, what is this? Tell me, what is this?
Ice cream.
Yeah, it's an ice cream. Okay, now let's make ice cream. You have to put it over here, okay? Take this, Meesam. Good job. Okay, Naila, put it over here. Okay, take this, Anabia. You have to put it over here. I will give you the other one also. Wow. Okay, guys. So today, what are we making? Ice cream. Okay, right. I'll take this. Raidu, take this. Ibrahim, take this. Wait for your turn. You have to take it and you have to put it over here. Okay? Take this. Wow, looks so nice.
That's my nose.
Wow, Wali.
ये फिनिश हो गया नहीं येलो क्या
Okay, Ibrahim, take it.
क्या ये डाल दो
Put it over here. Yes. Very good, Wali. Good job. Oh, give it to me.
लग गया था
Take this.
अब मुझे ये चाहिए पर्पल येलो
Okay, Ibrahim, put it over here.
Teacher, our horse.
Wow, Muhammad Wali make 3 scoops of ice cream.
I want two. I want sprinkle.
I will give it to you.
इसके साथ पर्पल तो मैंने कर दिस मॉर्निंग
Wali, spread it like this.
टीचर नहीं मैं तुम्हारे पिन कर देते क्या कर कैसे लगाऊं
Yes. No.
I made 2 scoops of ice cream.
You made 2 scoops.